Okay, welcome once again to today's guitar lesson edition. Thank you all for exercising patience. Today guitar lesson edition, we are doing somebody in Gala Renew. You said we should do a lesson on chromatic pentatonic scale and pentatonic minor, pentatonic major scale and pentatonic minor scale, the difference between them. So with this lesson, let's go to C, because it's a matter of all keys, so that it will be easy for us to know and understand and transfer them to different keys or transpose them to different keys, as that will be very easy for us to do. So let's use C, not wasting time. Let's go straight to the guitar board and do that. So we have C here. And we have C here. So when we say pentatonic scale, we've done that before, even across the cage system. So let's do the C here. That's the G or E shape of playing the C. So let's say we are playing Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La. So we have Do here. This is the root. So instead of Do, Ti, La, so we omit the T and make Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La. When we come here, the same thing. Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So. So we have Do here. That is the fifth position. I'm talking about Do on the third string. Fifth position, third string. Or here. The same thing. And we have the first string at the eighth position. So let's use this shape, this G shape here. So we have Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, pentatonic minor, pentatonic scale here. So we've done the minor scale, how to understand the minor scale. And in that lesson, we did this. So when we are playing C, or we are playing C here, we will go to the E flat, or we move to whole tone plus another semitone. That is more. And we play the same thing. Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La, So, Mi, Re, Do, La. In the key of E flat. So when we are playing C pentatonic, when we move three, the same three, we play the same scale. But the solo will end on La. That is Do for C. La, Do, C. When we are playing C here, it is Do. When we are playing E flat here, it's La. This is E flat, Do, Ti, La. So when we move to the pentatonic scale, the solo will be ending on the La, La, C. So we have C pentatonic or C major pentatonic. C minor pentatonic. So mo, do, to, so, fa, mo, do for the key C. But you can see it's like we are playing E flat, the same shape as we were playing C. But we will move to E flat. So if we come to this E flat here in the C shape, we have the same thing. So, mi, re, do, la. So, mi, re, do, la. So, mi. It's like playing C. This is C. So, mi, re, do, la. So, mi, re, do, la. And we bring that to the E flat here. So the solo ends on the La or the spelling, giving us the pentatonic minor scale. So this is C minor pentatonic. You can see it spells out do for C, but it is La at key E flat. Do, La. But C is more do. So let's use E flat first. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la. But C, it is mo, do, to, so, fa, mo, do. You see, that is do, to, so, fa, mo, do, key C. But E flat is la, so, mi, re, do, la. The same thing. So if you move here or we move here, it's the same. That is pentatonic and minor pentatonic, as Ingala Renew said we should do. But for the cover songs, you don't worry, because I have to learn the song or listen to the song before we do. That's sometimes the reason why we normally do practical work once than the request of the song, because for the request of the songs, I have to take much time learning so that there will not be any mistake. But for the scale and the other stuffs, I can use even 10 minutes to explain or answer the question. So those people who have requested for the song, please just pardon me for that. I'm on it. I will do it for you when the times I have a lot of time or some small time. I will do it for you. So let's go to this is C. Do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. So we will take the whole thing. We will move the whole thing to E flat, because this is C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat. So when we play the whole thing in, we will move the whole thing to E flat here. So the whole solo will be ending on the La. So let me go get closer to the camera. So we have C here at the 8th position. So if you are not seeing the neck of the guitar, here is the 8th position. So do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, mi, so, la, do, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do. We remove the same thing to E flat. It has become a pentatonic minor for the key C, but it is pentatonic for key E flat. It's pentatonic key E flat pentatonic. So let's assume maybe we are playing a chord. Then we want to play the minor pentatonic. So either we play it here, or we play it here, or we go to any E flat pentatonic scale that we know. So let's go. So we move here. see, so I'm on the E flat pentatonic scale. That is E flat pentatonic scale, but it is C minor pentatonic. Go. Or we come here and play the E flat. You see, we have mo do at C, key C, to so fa mo do, but you can see it is E flat pentatonic. Do E flat. It is do la so mi re do la so mi re do la. You see, so that is the meaning of pentatonic minor and pentatonic itself. So C pentatonic is major for C chords, and E flat pentatonic the same way. If you want to transpose the key, we go through. So if you have A, you want to play A pentatonic scale or A pentatonic minor, this is A pentatonic. So answer me, where should we go? We go to C pentatonic. It has given us A. Pentatonic itself, the major. Let's go to its minor, because C, we will go to A, we will go 3. 1, that is 1 here, a full tone. 1, we have A here, A sharp or B flat, B, C. So we go 1, 2, 3, that is more. Every key we will go to the more and play the same thing. Oh. So when we come to the let's go to the minor. Then we play the chord here. We have this as A or A here. Then we go to the pentatonic. So when we say the pentatonic major and pentatonic minor, this is the difference between them. So my friend Ingala Renew, take your time. I'm sure you do really like scales as most. You like scale works and the board works. So this is the pentatonic, difference between pentatonic major and pentatonic minor. So if we are playing D or D, let's say we are playing D and we want to play D, this is the D pentatonic. So mi re do la so mi re do la so mi so la do. This is D pentatonic. If you want to play D minor pentatonic, it means where should we go? We have to go to more, that is F. So this is D pentatonic scale. So let's go to pentatonic minor. So where are we? We have to come to F. But all the playing will be end on the La in the pentatonic scale. You see, it resolves to minor chord, or either we will create tension by playing it major. So, or pentatonic. That is D major pentatonic or D minor pentatonic. And that is why I'm using flat chords, because the same thing I will move 3, that is F here. So I can choose not to move here, but I will use the F position here, making it. I want to make it clear. That is the reason why I use the flat chords. If I say flat chords, it means I will just play here and move to the three so that it will be very easy and clear for you. Or else I can choose to play here. This is major. Then I play the pentatonic minor here. You see, because this is F, pentatonic. Mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, do, la, so, mi, re, for the key F. But the reason why I'm using flat chords to make it very clear to you, because if I use D here, then I will come to D here to play the pentatonic. Then before here. So that is the whole thing about pentatonic and pentatonic minor. That is the difference. So if you are playing C, we will move to C, E flat pentatonic. It will spell the notes in the C minor pentatonic for us. If we are playing G, F, we will go to G sharp pentatonic and play it. It will spell the F minor pentatonic for us, or pentatonic minor for us. So Ingala, this is your question, the answer to your question. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. We shall meet very soon. So if there is any comment, I really do cherish how people comment, leaving comments under the comment section. So you are all wonderful to me. Thank you for joining me, making me one of your best friends, your best teacher here on this channel, or this year cave. So you are all welcome. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. Don't forget to share the video. Invite your friends to join us in the learning of guitar. Thank you very much for exercising patience for me, because sometimes the request takes a lot of time, but you still keep on reminding me that, oh, there is this request. So as I've said, those people who have requested a lesson on a particular song, that is the copywriting songs, sometimes I have to check copyright infringement, copyright strikes, and other stuff before I can use the song, and at the same time learning the song before producing it. Unlike these lessons, because these lessons I do understand the basics, the chord progressions, scales, and other stuff. So I just answer the question, even I have 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But for the request of the songs, it will take me not less than 1 hour to provide a single lesson. So if you have requested a song and I have not brought it on this channel, please exercise patience for me, because I have to learn the song, or at least 1 or 2 know some basic things before giving it out to you, so that it will be authentic, not just playing for playing sake. So for this scales, chord, and other stuff, I can use even 5 minutes to teach. So thank you for exercise patience and understanding me in this way. I do cherish you all. Thank you for making me one of your best friends. You are all welcome. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. Thank you and stay blessed.